My name is Ben Anthony. I farm Frowen with my partner Dan at Fairclough. Frowen is a farm situated near Login, Whitland. We run, the farm here is 110 acres of grassland, and then we also rent another 110 acres away from the farm. We're a forage-based system running 750 ewes, lambing indoors, lambing in March. So we work very hard to get the ewes in the right condition score pre-Tapin. I concentrate on that throughout the year just to get them in the right condition for Tapin, which has paid off this year again. The commercial flock is scanned at 189%, and the pure Albermaxes behind me is scanned at 220%. So ewes are tapped on grass and then moved on to Swedes to lengthen the grazing season. And then we ewes are housed roughly 4 to 6 weeks before lambing. They come in, they all go onto a TMR mix. This year we concentrate on growing good quality silage. So this year the ewes only need 150 grams of soya and minerals mixed in with the silage to the TMR feeder, which we found works very well. Silage quality has been very good this year, perhaps one of the best years we've had perhaps. The last 2 years we've gone on to a rotational grazing system. We find this helps, so we make a lot of our silage in May and June, which was important to us this year because grass went scarce June, July onwards. So it was very important to make use of that early grass. We're an indoor lambing flock. As you can see, there's been an investment in a new lambing shed at Frowen. It's replaced an old wooden structure that needed to be changed. At the time of changing, we looked at different systems, spoke to a lot of different people and got a lot of advice. But it kept coming back around that the shed would be very useful on the farm. Even if we went to outdoor lambing, we could house the ewes to rest the ground before turning out to lamb. So the decision was taken to put this structure up. We put a structure up that there's plenty of feeding space around each pen, plenty of air through the shed, and makes life easy at lambing time. So we're in a Farming Connect discussion group, and we find it very useful. We benchmark against one another, we bounce ideas off one another, and I think it's beneficial for all the farmers involved in our group. We find the nutritional advice key to what we do here. 2 years ago, well, last year we went over to TMR system. Prior to that, we were feeding a high protein nut to the ewes. And we found that the ewes, within 24 hours from going from silage going through a feeder bedder to a TMR system, they're eating 25% more forage overnight. So it really did work. We found ewes were a lot more contented in the shed, and the ewes had plenty of milk for the lambs and no problems at lambing time.